everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a different video. It's not a workout video, but I'm going to show you how I sterilize baby bottle in an Instant Pot. It is so easy, and as the name says, it is instant. So you don't even have to worry about it. Once you put everything in the pot, you're good to go. Alright, so if you love watching videos from this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Ring the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Ann_Maria_Tom. It's gonna be right here. And by the way, this is baby Leo. He is 5 months old. And he's very excited to be in front of the camera. So there he is. Alright, let's get this started.
So we are going to start off with filling the Instant Pot with some water. So it doesn't really matter how much water you put in there, but make sure you put enough water in there. If it is dry, then it is a fire hazard. Now there is a little basket that comes with the Instant Pot, so you'll have to put the basket in so that the toys are not touching the bottom of the pot. Now you can put a wide variety of bottles and toys and materials in there, but make sure that you're not putting plastic in there because it can stick to the wire rack, but you can definitely put wood, silicone, and all those kind of materials in there. Your bottles, your spoon, anything that your baby uses will go in there except for pure plastic items. So now once you have everything in the pot, you just have to close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the venting position. So this makes sure that there is enough pressure in the pot to sterilize the bottles. So once you have everything in the pot, once it is in the vent mode, you just have to put the sterilize button, which I'm going to show right now. Just hit the sterilize button, and it's going to take a few minutes to turn the machine or the pot on. So once the on signal is displayed on the display there, that's when the Instant Pot is running. So it is going to take 28 minutes, almost like 30 minutes for the entire cycle to run. So once it is done, it is gonna signal, and you can just open the lid and off you go.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. It is a short video, but I hope it was very helpful. So please follow me on Instagram @Maria_Tom. Also, do not forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, turn the notification on so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. We will see you next week with another fresh video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.